Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen the difference operators, that is forward difference operator, forward difference operator, which is denoted by this delta, and we have seen backward difference operator, which is denoted by this back delta. Then we have shift operator, what is shift operator? Here in the forward, what we have, delta of f of x, it gives you f of x plus h, that is next value, minus current value, and backward difference operator, it gives you the current value minus previous value, that is f of x minus h. Okay, now in the shift operator is denoted by the letter E. So E of f of x is what? Shift means एक position वो shift हो जाएगा. Here in the power we have 1. So that means what? E of it becomes f of x plus h. Now if I have E square of f of x, so E square of f of x means what? E of f of x. Now E of f of x, as we know, that will be f of x plus h. Now again, if you operate the shift operator to f of x plus h, that will give you f of x plus 2h. So here power is 2, so we are getting 2. Similarly, we can do for e cube f of x, that will give you f of x plus 3h. So in general, for any power, either it is positive, negative, or whatever, so e power r f of x, what we have? F of x plus r h. So this is called as shift operator. Now based on this, we will check the relation between the difference operators, that is forward, backward, and shift operator. Okay, so relation between operators. So as we know, forward operator f of x, forward operator f of x, this can be written as f of x plus h minus f of x. Now this f of x plus h is written as e of f of x by using the shift operator. So this become e of f of x minus f of x. So now it becomes e minus 1 of f of x. So what we have in the forward operator is what? E minus 1. Similarly for backward operator, what we have? F of x minus f of x minus h. So as I told, e to the power r f of x is equal to f of x plus rh. So here you can see r is what? Minus 1. So we can write down this one as f of x minus e to the power minus 1 f of x. So this become 1 minus e to the power minus 1 f of x. So your backward operator, difference operator, will be 1 minus e to the power minus 1. Now based on this, we have one question, that is show that 1 plus forward difference operator minus into 1 minus backward difference operator is equal to 1. This we want to prove. Okay, so what we will do here, we will consider the left hand side by using this is a operator. So we have to operate on some function. So we will take the function f of x. So here what we have, 1 plus forward difference operator into 1 minus backward difference operator, and we will operate it on the function f of x. So if you operate on both sides, so here what we will get, by operating the function 1 plus forward difference operator 1 minus backward difference operator of f of x is equal to what? F of x. So this we want to prove that. Okay, so we will take the left hand side. Now first of all we will open the bracket. So 1 into 1, that become 1. 1 minus backward operator, that become backward operator. Forward operator into 1 become forward operator. Plus into minus become minus, forward into backward operators into f of x. So now these operator we will operate on function. So we have 1 into f of x will be f of x minus backward into f of x plus forward operator into f of x minus forward backward operator of f of x. Now we will apply the forward backward rule here. So this backward operator will give you f of x minus f of x minus h. Forward operator will give you f of x plus h minus f of x. In this one, first we will apply the backward operator, that will give you f of x minus f of x minus h. Now this f of x will cancel with this one. So we have minus f of x minus h, and here we have plus f of x plus h. Minus plus become minus f of x. Now this forward operator will operate on this f of x as well as this one also. So to operate it on this, what we have here in between this, we have the minus sign. So minus in bracket, we have forward operator of this function, that will give you f of x plus h minus f of x. This is one part of this one. Now forward operator of this value will give you the f of x minus h plus h, that become f of x minus the current value, which is f of x minus h. Now if you open the bracket, so what we have, f of x minus h plus f of